Guys, it's been a long time, yeah. It hasn't been long since I post, but it's been long since I've vlogged, like serious vlogging. It's been a long time. Anyway, with that being said, guys, it's super early right now. It's around 5 minutes past 8, and I'm in my house. Yeah. Yes, guys, I just moved in yesterday, literally, and this is my things, and this is the room. This is how it's looking. It's like a mini penthouse, and the rooms are small, not that big. So yeah, I moved here and I'm super excited. So today I'm gonna be packing the place. I'm gonna be taking care of it while rearranging some of the things in here, the furnitures, while rearranging them. And since I do a lot of videos, I need these walls to be designed to something for my background. Then maybe with time I'm gonna decide what I want to put on the wall. But for now, I'm gonna clean the entire house because there was someone living here before me. So I'm gonna clean the entire house, and as well as rearrange some of the furniture. So in this process, I'm gonna take you guys through with me, and let me show you guys around the house so you see. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna be taking care of the house, cleaning and everything, doing intense cleaning. So you guys stay tuned, and yeah. Guys, it's as if my hair is literally like frying. Oh my god, my hair has been dry. I need to take time out to take care of it. Anyway, as much as I want to pack and be over with this as soon as possible, yeah, guys, to eat, please. So I'm gonna go heat up my food and eat. Then we continue. your girl just moved in, and as you guys can see, today, the entire day, I've been working. It hasn't been easy, but thank God I'm done now. Thank God that is out of my head. Thank God I've had my own place. Thank God now I am starting to get my balance again. But anyway, I am super excited, guys. So this was just me cleaning out the place and repositioning some of the furniture because I didn't like the way they were positioned. So yeah, and I have a lot of decorations I have in mind that I want to do. So you guys, can you see that I am breaking out so badly here? But anyway, I do not care. I'm coming to go to the market now. I have a list of things I need to buy. I cannot, as you guys know, if you've been if you've been an OG subscriber here, you already know that girl cannot do her thing without putting it down. So yeah, I have to go get these things and then come back. And I have music classes. Yes, my new schedule, guys. It's not easy. It's gonna be a wild year this year. I'm really wilding out this year. But anyway, yeah, I'm coming to go to the market and then I'll be back. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And yeah, comment something nice.